What if your AI assistant could actually do things for you, not just answer questions? Imagine ordering dinner, calling a ride, and playing the perfect playlist, all from the same chat window. Well, that future just arrived. OpenAI has started rolling out app integrations inside ChatGPT, allowing the AI to connect directly with services like DoorDash, Spotify, and Uber. This means ChatGPT is evolving from a chatbot into a true AI assistant that can interact with real-world apps. In this video, you'll learn what ChatGPT app integrations are, how to connect apps like DoorDash, Spotify, and Uber, real-world examples of how to use them, and why this could completely change how we use AI assistants. Let's dive in. App integrations allow ChatGPT to connect with other services you already use. Instead of switching between multiple apps, you can simply ask ChatGPT to handle tasks for you. For example, you could type, "Order me a chicken burrito bowl from Chipotle." And ChatGPT could connect to DoorDash and prepare the order, or say, "Play relaxing jazz music." And it connects to Spotify to start a playlist. Or even, "I need a ride to the airport." And it could request a car through Uber. This transforms ChatGPT from information assistant to action assistant. Here's how to connect your apps. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Launch the ChatGPT app on your phone or desktop. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap your profile icon, then open Settings. Look for a section called Connected Apps or Integrations. Step 3. Choose an app to connect. You'll see available integrations such as DoorDash, Spotify, Uber. More apps are expected to be added soon. Step 4. Log in and authorize. Click the app you want, then sign in and approve the connection. This allows ChatGPT to perform tasks on your behalf. Let's look at some real commands you can use. Ordering food. Example prompt. Order a large pepperoni pizza from the highest rated pizza place near me. ChatGPT can connect to DoorDash, show restaurant options, and prepare the order. You simply confirm checkout. No app switching required. Playing music. Example prompt. Play a workout playlist. ChatGPT connects with Spotify and starts music instantly. You can also say things like, "Play relaxing music for focus," or "Find the top 90s hip-hop playlist." Booking your ride. Example prompt. I need a ride to LAX at 7 p.m. ChatGPT can connect with Uber, show ride options, and request the trip. This turns AI into a travel assistant. This may seem simple, but it's actually a major shift in how we interact with software. Instead of opening multiple apps and navigating menus, you simply tell AI what you want. This concept is known as AI action agents. And ChatGPT is becoming a central hub for digital tasks. Think about the possibilities. Ordering food, booking rides, managing music, scheduling appointments, shopping online, controlling smart homes, all through one conversation. While DoorDash, Spotify, and Uber are early examples, experts expect many more integrations soon. Potential future apps could include Instacart, Airbnb, Amazon, and Google Calendar. If this happens, ChatGPT could become the main interface for everyday life tasks. ChatGPT is evolving fast. With new integrations to apps like DoorDash, Spotify, and Uber, it's no longer just answering questions. It's getting things done, and this shift could completely change how we interact with apps in the future. Instead of searching, tapping, and navigating, you simply ask AI to do it for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on the latest AI tools and breakthroughs. And in the comments below, what app would you want ChatGPT to integrate with next? Amazon, Google Maps, or maybe your smart home? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.